You've invested a lot in your trailers, heavy equipment, and other assets. How can you optimize them to get the best return on your investment? That's what Reveal Asset Tracking is all about. Asset tracking protects assets from theft, enhances your workflows, improves asset utilization, tracks maintenance, and extends the life of your assets. In fact, 25% of Reveal users see a positive ROI from asset tracking within just 3 to 6 months, and 53% report a positive ROI within 1 year. Here's how it works. First, install the asset tracking hardware on every valuable asset. It only takes a few minutes. The hardware is discreet and tamper-resistant to discourage potential thieves. It's weatherproof for year-round protection in any climate. And its batteries keep you protected for the long haul, up to 6 years for powered assets and 10 or more years for non-powered assets. Once you have your devices installed, it's easy to configure asset tracking in your Reveal platform, and that's where the protection really kicks in. The platform tracks vital information about each asset in near real time. You'll see every asset's location to ensure each one is where it's supposed to be. You'll see each asset's engine hours nearly up to the minute. Is a valuable piece of equipment sitting unused most of the day? You'll see fuel consumption for each asset to ensure they're all running at peak efficiency. And you can check each asset's maintenance schedule and history to make sure they're all kept in top running order. Meanwhile, Reveal software tracks all that data and gives you insights with near real-time reporting, alerting you when something needs immediate attention and compiling detailed reports that help you make better informed decisions. Let's take a closer look at how Reveal Asset Tracking boosts your fleet's bottom line. 53% of users reported improved efficiency as their #1 benefit with asset tracking, because it makes every project more efficient by reducing non-productive downtime in transit. Location tracking improves on-time job performance by making sure every asset is at the right job site, and saves more time by locating the nearest asset for every need. Plus, geofencing each asset helps prevent theft and unauthorized use. Engine hours reporting reduces downtime and helps you leverage data for better project bids. In fact, 64% of asset tracking users report improved utilization. It gives you detailed reporting on operational hours, idle time, PTO usage, and more, so you know which equipment can be relocated to job sites where it will be more productive. Fuel consumption reporting reduces wasted fuel and identifies your most efficient assets. On average, Asset Tracker users reduce fuel usage by 16%. Maintenance scheduling and history helps reduce failures and repairs, improve uptime, and extend equipment life, and keep maintenance costs manageable. Reveal creates service reminders and maintenance schedules to make sure your assets are current on oil changes, tire rotations, brake checks, and more. And it even assigns alerts to the right team members to make maintenance even more efficient, which is one reason users experience an average of 16% lower maintenance costs with Reveal. Reveal Asset Tracking does a lot more than just track your assets. It gives you the data you need to maximize your ROI for a stronger bottom line.